Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this highlighted caption effect on your videos word by word in CapCut Mobile. So first, just add your videos and generate the caption first. So click on text and use auto captions in CapCut to easily generate the caption. Don't forget to select the sound source and also language. And after that, click on generate and wait for the captions to show up. Okay, so after all of the captions generated, now to add the highlight animation, click on one of the caption and click on animation. So go to style and go to animation and click on the caption tab, and in here just scroll down, then select the border pop-up. Okay, this one right here, the border pop-up tree, click on that and make sure that it applies to all of the auto caption, and this is the result. So guys, that's how you can highlight the caption on your video word by word in CapCut Mobile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye!